Hey guys, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, and I've included a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So if you are a fan of basically the margarita flavor, I've got something perfect for you. So these are flavor mixes. It's non-alcoholic and it is sugar-free, and it is by Margaritaville, which in my personal opinion is one of the best flavors out there. And they're gonna come in this box as a 6-pack, and then each one is individually here. And what you're gonna do is you're just gonna pour this into like a glass of water, stir, or they're made to on the go. So if you have like a bottle of water, take a few sips, make a little room, pour this in there, shake it up, and then you're gonna get that great flavor. Now, it is more of a mild flavor. It's got a nice lime to it. Absolutely, I find it very refreshing. Obviously, if you are wanting a cocktail, you can add to it, but it doesn't have any alcohol in it. And like I said, it is sugar-free and only 5 calories, which is actually a great way for staying hydrated. So overall, if you are looking for a little flavor, I think these are totally worth checking out. If there's something that I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.